Welcome back guys to the channel, Hanging with the Livingston. I am Tamar and behind the camera is our one and only Mr. L, Oliver, Mr. Livingston. Today we're going to be doing some cooking for you guys. We decided that we're going to kind of change it up. There's a YouTuber that we absolutely love, Big Up Color Smith TV. He gave us an idea of some beetroot rice. So the other day Mr. Livingston made some beetroot and carrot juice, and we have a lot of beetroot leave over. So instead of the typical rice and peas that we would make on a Sunday, we're going to make some beetroot and sweet corn rice. So that's what we're doing today. We also have here prepared, we're doing some stew chicken, and we have some pork. So in this house, as we tell you, in this house we eat pork, right? So Trenton, some of you guys know it. So we're gonna do some pork in the oven, and we have our natural season here that we're gonna be cutting up, and we're gonna put in the chicken when it's almost done. We have some beetroot that we're gonna blend. So over here we have the beetroot ready. This is the jasmine rice, and the corn, we're doing the corn from the can. And yeah, let's get started. I am going to take over the camera from Mr. L, and you know, we both going to be interchangeably doing our thing. We're going to be managing it together. Paris is just relaxing doing her stuff, so it's going to be Mr. L and myself in the kitchen today. So stay tuned, guys.
Smell, just like pick up in another place. Alright guys, so I don't sit for a second there where blend our beetroot, put in a pot, wash the rice and put in it as well. So let's blend up the beetroot. We'll put some water in the beetroot. We have the sweet corn, we have the rice.
And again, this idea is not our own. It's one of our favorite YouTube content maker, Mr. Color Smith himself. And that's, we're just use him idea today to make our beetroot rice. All right, people? And over here, I'm going to see if I can turn. Woo! Stay in the pot, chicken. Stay in the pot.
Alright, so these are the first batch, guys. So the first batch, guys. So we have put the beetroot because they want the beetroot to go into the rice and everything.
and put it in the pot.
Because when you boil it, it's going to soft, right?
Pretty color. Rice will go in there.
The smell of it, aroma of it, everything to rice. What we're gonna do, guys, is about to take the cold water and just throw the cold water on it. You just hot the water in the kettle. So at least the chicken, you know, cook faster because they'll leave from hot to hot and not from hot to cold. We're ready to pour it out. Like you go and do your thing, put the pork in the oven. Alright, people, we put the pork in the oven now. We turn on the oven already, so the oven is already hot. So just get the pork in. No funny guys. We just put 2 pieces of fatty over it. We just keep it nice and moist. And then when we reach almost to the end of it, take out file paper and make it get a nice brown color.
And this guys is going to just be the natural season that we're going to put in our chicken. We have some potato, carrot, some garlic, thyme, scallion, onion. When it cook down. So Mr. L going to quickly cut up the potato and the carrot so it's ready to throw in the pot.
Guys, we're done with this now. We just cut it up and have it ready. And we just get the ball rolling. This now we just cut it in a tube. This we are cutting a 3. This one. Not 4. But you're putting this after, so you're not gonna boil out, right? No. Big up. Alright guys, welcome back. So we're putting with the green veg and stuff in the pot now. So we're putting with onion, with scallion, with pepper, and with thyme. I remember the carrot and the Irish we're not putting until after when it almost finished. Because you don't want it boiled out. Alright guys? So, put in these now, and then we stir it up and make it go and work. Alright guys, and with this, with your green onion and stuff, you not really cut it because when you take it, it's gonna come right down to nothing at all. So you can just.
And remember, we already seasoned the pot, you know. We seasoned the pot overnight and make, you know, the meat marinate overnight. So this is just the second season of the pot.
Yes, people, there's a different, you know, it when you season the meat overnight and it's soaked right in the meat. You know, sometimes you just do a fast cooking and when you cook, you can't really taste the seasoning in your pot, or you can't really taste the seasoning in your meat because you just season it and throw it up on the fire. But when you season it overnight and put it in the fridge and make the seasoning soak in the meat, is a total difference. Total difference, people, trust me.
We have a Scotch bonnet pepper whenever they too cut it up.
Not yet. Because sometimes you know some of them bad. You know? You see there? Nice red as that. And I'm gonna switch the pot, guys. Switch the burner then because this are the bigger burner and this are the smaller one. And the chicken already up boiled, so this can manage it now. So I'm gonna switch it over and then get the rice one on the bigger burner. Put the rice one on that one.
As I tell you guys, I miss my Thor. I had a beast of a stove before. I miss that stove.
The carrot I'm Irish now, as you can see. To go on with itself. So we'll put in the carrot and Irish. And this now, or whatever left out there. I may never get before. Let's put everything in now. You just stir and cover it down back. And it smells so wonderful, people, I tell you. You don't think me a big chef?
You're my big chef.
And the pepper, it bursts now. So we'll just cover it back now, guys. Then we're gonna wash the rice and put it in the pot. So wash the rice. Sometimes when I wash the rice and just do it with my hand. But you know, the wife there here, so I have to look quite presentable. So I do everything to stand out. The corn, I go open it with it open now. But I gotta do it the outlaw way as me usually do, right?
So because we're here?
Yeah.
And then you do that.
And I go through the rice already, guys. If there's anything in there, there's nothing in there. So just gonna wash it with a 3 wash.
The beetroot top bubble. I'm gonna stir this in Mr. L.
You know, just put your sauce in your pot. The water in your pot. Make your rice nice.
Look pretty, man. Big up color snake.
And your corn in the pot. So that's 1 wash. So 2 more wash. And then we are sealed. And this rice, just come on. Years me eat this rice and I just love it. See guys, you see less of the starch and the rice. So one more wash, and now we throw it in on the pot.
And over here, Mr. Hill is gonna come and put in them salt. I'm gonna cut the corn and put the corn in before I'm putting them rice. But look on that, people. Pretty, man. My. Alright guys, we'll be back to have Mr. Livingston put the rice in the pot.
Alright people, you have to clean your tin them before you open them, right? Because in a supermarket you can run on it. I see the people, as you tell us, may I do it proper tonight? You know? May I do it proper tonight? I have it, you know. Now some I don't have it, but you know.
A countryman and just like to open it today with a knife, right babe?
See you myself. But we have it, people.
So they're right, the water.
The water strain up for the rice. You know, put the salt in the pot. So just strain up the corn and now. And put the corn them in the pot. People.
So again, we have put corn in there, and that's filled with beetroot and corn rice.
We'll put in the rice, people. Easy like 1, 2, 3. Just the people, years of experience, they put in the rice, then they put piece of butter in. Right? Years of experience, people. And now man up run boat as Jamaican. What I say?
Run boat?
Yeah, so they come to Jamaica. You run a boat. Without the rest of the rice. For this. Ooh, look on that.
I remember we never did strain the beetroot, people.
Something pretty like what? Alright. This is about very nice, you know. It's about tonight. Give it a stir. Now we're going to wash out the rest of the rice and throw it through the strainer and have it in our strainer. And put it in the pot and then make it go and do the thing. Alright, so people, I get the rice a stir. Alright, and then put the 5p over it and make it go and do the thing. But look on it guys, it's pretty like what? Yeah, so you just stir now. Put the 5p over it and make it go and simmer down. Very much darling. So we'll put the 5p over it.
And obviously we're doing this to make the rice wet. Some people use plastic bag. Some people put it in the oven. Whatever you do, you do.
And take a look on the chicken guys.
The chicken ready to come off now.
Cut that people.
I'm going to check pan with Trenton in the oven.
Chicken tricky, don't it? Look on that. we're trying to finish because Malachi have a night shift tonight. So I'm gonna work. What them call it? Graveyard?
Graveyard shift.
Graveyard shift tonight.
For those healthcare workers, and you know what that means.
So we're gonna check on the report now. See what I want to it.
Smells amazing. Can smell the jerk. We put some jerk seasoning on it.
So we get a stir. Our turn. I'll put it back in. Give it a turn. Put it back in, people. Keep on doing thing.
Oh, I never brought them out. Why Mr. Ann so heavy? Oh, I'm broke up the chantan. Mine, you know.
Make sure so everybody get them fair share how to eat and the juice. And I put it back up, I'm not gonna put the 5 people over it this time. To make it go on get some color. We're gonna put it back now. Reload the file paper. Turn off the fire upon the chicken. And cut up with salad. Alright. Turn off the wood upon the chicken.
Chicken is finito. Pretty man. Alright. Now for the rice. For the rice, steam out nicely. And Mr. L said I'm going to go over to the salad portion.
So we're going to do the salad now, guys. So as you know, guys, this thing wash the salad, so I'm not really wash the lettuce, but I wash it still. So you cut it up and get a wash after because you can never be too careful, right? And next thing you warm it up, guys, I let the water run through it. And a little insect or anything in there because, you know, anything is possible.
Some people wash it with salt. You know, give it a good wash.
But again, this is just the pre-wash. And when you put it in there, you know,
Wash it again and then we spin it.
wash it and you spin it. Everything come out. It clean like whistle.
And we enjoy bringing you guys in our kitchen with us as we do what we do best. Always in here together, always cooking. I mean, you know, if you don't cook, we don't eat, right?
I'm going to put cucumber with it, guys, and some cherry tomato.
Next week we're supposed to be doing some baking. Mr. L mom's favorite recipe. We're not gonna tell you guys the recipe though, but we're thinking we're gonna do some baking, and as usual we're gonna bring you guys in the kitchen with us just to show you how it's done. Me not lie, this season me not really like it because the baking in the kitchen with Mr. L enough work. enough work, but you have to do what you have to do.
Guys, just do like 4 strips off of it, or 3 strips. Have some green on it as well. And you don't want to go too deep, you just want to go as thin as possible. When I watch this, guys, it'll clean up right after I finish this. But so get this first, cut it off. So maybe 3. Yeah, we'll go 3. We'll go 3. And then, well, guys, I'm gonna wash up the board because some stuff left on the board off of the bottom of the lettuce. So we put the garbage separate from the compost, guys. The garbage burner 1, compost burner 1, and you recycle. Going to the next one. Alright. So you don't want it too big.
Mind the finger, Mr. L.
I just say years me I cut this and look at my finger and I never see a cut on my finger.
And I know Mr. L, years of experience.
Years of experience, I never get a cut yet.
Still have a 10, Mr. L.
Still have it. Look, see that? And make a cut party, you just see it. Chop up, chop up. I never cut myself, man. I'm going to keep it that way. And I ask if the knife is sharp enough, people. You get the knife, I got to.
So Mr. Hill's gonna wash this lettuce for us again and spin it. And we're gonna wash our cherry tomatoes. Make our salad. The rice steam. Call it a day.
Finish the pork.
Oh yeah, we have to finish the pork. I forget about the pork.
And I'll give us for it. I'll give this a bad wash. Andy Dundee. Alright, the kids don't really love it too much, so you're not gonna do a whole lot.
Alright guys, we're gonna finish up this salad. We're gonna come back when the rice finish steam out and when we're gonna put the final touch in the churn. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Livingstons. And we are almost at the end of our video. We're just going to make our final thing for the evening. We're making some salad, but Austin and Paris want some Caesar salad. So that's what we're making it. But we're not making the traditional Caesar salad. We kind of put a little twist on it. So we have some cheddar cheese in here. We have our romaine lettuce. We have our cucumbers. And we have some tomato that we're going to put it. And we're also going to add our croutons because the kids love that. So we're just going to get our Caesar dressing on. Mix it up a little bit. And the pork is almost finished. The rice is basically done. The chicken we know already finished. Chicken I wait. So just the lettuce. And as you know, we already did wash our lettuce and spin it. Put a little bit more on there. You know, you put on however you like it. Just want to tell you guys again, thank you for hanging out with us. I know that this video is fairly lengthy, but you know, we like to take you guys in the kitchen with us and, you know, let you join and see what we're doing. So now we're going to put our tomatoes. Again, we're not doing the traditional Caesar salad. This is how we like it. And actually the croutons, we're going to let the kids put their croutons on when they're ready to eat it, so it doesn't become saggy for them before time. All right, we'll put this in our bowl here. Alrighty, so this is our little Caesar salad, the way we like it and the way we enjoy it. And the croutons, we're gonna let the kids put on the croutons when they are ready for it. And over here, we're gonna visit our rice. Supposed to be almost ready. Couple actually ready now. Yeah. This again, guys, if you don't forget, this recipe came from Collar Smith TV, where we see him do beetroot rice, and we're doing the same thing, but we add the sweet corn in there. And this is the rice. This is how it come out. I'm gonna taste it, guys. I'm gonna lie, it tastes pretty good. It's not friendly, it's shelly. Nice. Rice nice. Woo! Woo-wee! Trenton ready.
For that, guys.
The Trenton ready. The pork ready.
So let's put some of the sauce on top of it now. So guys, years of experience.
And if you don't want to do it, we're drier than this.
And you can do
And
it.
you can. We like to do it when it's nice and saucy. So see the pork then.
And you know we have the chicken right here, guys.
See the chicken there?
And then we have the rice.
Let's see, with beetroot, rice and corn.
Alright guys. So as Mr. guys, like, share, subscribe, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend. Because I'll tell you all the way, it's our pleasure to take you guys along with us. So now someone comes and say, boy, them video too long. You we appreciate you guys as well, right? It's so much fun as a film, having your partner, you can come together and cook and just enjoy yourself and laugh and talk and then share with you guys as well, guys. So thank you guys very much. So like, share, subscribe,
comment, hit the notification
definitely
bell.
comment, tell us, what else you would like us to do or what else you think that we should be doing, right? And then we'll put it on a serious consideration and get it done for you guys.
And as we told you before, we are open to constructive criticism.
Definitely.
So let us know what you're feeling. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll try our best to make it happen. Alrighty, take care. Until the next video, God bless.